It's almost been 3 weeks since I haven't been able to use my computer, and I can happily report that I got a Windows 7 installation disk from eBay. It was $25, and thankfully, I got a new life for this laptop. Now, I want to quickly go into some issues that I had when I installed this. We want to call it a old OS with a fresh new slate. That's the way I want to think of it. I'm thinking of the right term to use, and there you go. Old operating system with a fresh, empty look. That sounded like a car dealership commercial. I apologize. It's just that I'm so excited that I got this computer back up and running. So, first issue I noticed was, where's my Wi-Fi and Ethernet drives? Well, I'm going to quickly go into that. So I went on YouTube and I did the following. I right-clicked computer, I hit manage, and when manage came up, I noticed something was missing when I went to device manager. When I went over there, I couldn't find network adapters. I was wondering, well, where were they? Well, it turns out I had to research that and find out what to do. So I did two things. One, I right-clicked properties. I went to details. Then I went to hardware IDs. And then what I did was, on my not Samsung Galaxy. I'm so used to saying Samsung Galaxy because that's how I was recording my videos. I used my real phone, which was the LG Stylo 1st Gen. I was able to research it, and what happens is you go on Google and you type this in, this is what will happen. I want to quickly warn you guys, I'm going to show you the right website I want you all to use. It looks like the Wi-Fi is going crazy on me. Here we go. Yeah, so this is what I needed. I needed the driver identifier website. This is what came up. And thankfully, I was able to download it and use USB and get my drivers back with the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. But originally, I was having trouble with the Wi-Fi driver. I couldn't find it because it took me to another website. So thankfully, when I Google searched, this website came up. I was able to research it. I was able to type in my make and model, and rest is history. You just got to be careful when you install software because it will not contain the right drivers. And I also had to look up my Intel driver for the high definition graphics. You gotta be very careful, be very wary. I even made sure I had a Connext smart audio system ready to go. One more thing I did, I went to services. I wanted to turn off Windows updates because Windows updates was having a hard time installing onto the disk with Windows 10 on this machine. So I had to turn it off by doing the following. I went to services, I went to the update, I went to properties, I stopped it, and then I disabled it. So that's what I did. I hated to see that my disk was being eaten, and it was malware. I found out, and when I ran malware bytes crashed on me. So I figured new OS means new chance, and I'm hoping that when I edit this in my editor later on, when I install one to share, that everything will be peachy and I can get this video out to you guys. So yeah, that's the video I have for you regarding my laptop coming back to life. And hopefully we can get back to our regular programming as soon as possible. I want to keep that promise that this laptop doesn't go haywire on me again. Alright, so that's the end of the video. So until next time, everyone, take care.